Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reduce your SketchUp file size with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download and install the Skimp plugin. Once installed, you have two options. Import a model directly using the import option in the plugin, or reduce the file size of an already imported model. In today's video, we'll learn how to reduce the size of an already imported model. To reduce an existing model's size, simply select the model you want to optimize. Click on Simplify Selection in the Skimp plugin. Adjust the slider to reduce the file size. Note: reducing polygons too much can distort your model's shape. Luckily, the plugin provides a live preview, allowing you to fine-tune without losing important details. Once you're happy with the adjustments, press Enter. The plugin will automatically replace the model with the optimized version. Save and refresh your SketchUp file. You'll see that the file size has decreased. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more SketchUp tips.